we've made finding your air filter easier at our online filter shop. At Golden Rule, we recommend MERV 8 air filters. They do a great job catching dust, pollen, and pet hair without causing too much stress on your HVAC system. We do still offer higher rated MERV filters, but for this how-to, we're going to stick with MERV 8. Now, let's show you how to find the right one in our shop. Go to goldenrulephc.com. Click Filters in the upper right-hand corner. Click Nominal Size and select the size of your filter. If you don't know the correct size, you can find out by looking at the edge of your current air filter. Make sure the size in the shop matches exactly. Now the easiest part. Select the filter that fits your needs. You can choose a single filter or a pack of filters. The best idea is to select a single filter, then turn on auto delivery and select once a month. It gives you 10% off and you will get a filter every month delivered right to your door. It saves you money and it's a great way to remember to change your filter. Once you've found the right filter, add it to your cart. Double check you have the correct size. Fill out the form and click the Pay Now button. That's it. You're all set. If you're still unsure, we're happy to help. Just give us a call and we'll help order your air filters for you today.